Hello friends and welcome to Mystical Secrets. Today we are going to talk about pink color. If your favorite color is pink, what does it signify? What does it reveal about your personality? Red plus white makes the color pink. So that means red is represented by Mars, white is represented by Venus. That means Venus plus Mars equals pink color. And what does Venus? If Venus is placed in a good position in a horoscope, that will make you attractive. And if Mars is placed in a good position, that will give you strength, that will make you strong. If you're real crazy about pink color, everything in your life is all about pink. Even your car is a pink color. But this is something which is coming to you naturally. Pink has been your favorite color for a longer time. That means the Venus is strongly placed in your horoscope. And when Venus is strongly placed in your horoscope, that means it will give you luxuries in life, but it has its flaws, it has its demerits. People who love pink color, they're very much interested in music. They can be good singers. They can be even in modeling, or act in movies. Remember, pink color is a lighter shade of red color. That means it will make you sensitive, it will make you emotional, it will also make you stubborn. And when an individual is sensitive, it is very hard for them to accept the views or the viewpoint of others. If Venus is weakly placed in your horoscope, that means you'll be sexually active from your young age. A person who loves pink color will have an extramarital affair because it is very easy for them to emotionally connect to someone or emotionally attached to someone. That's all for people who love pink color. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for joining me. God bless. Namaste.